Mickey stood at the edge of the Amazon rainforest, his heart pounding with a mix of anticipation and awe. The vast green expanse stretched endlessly before him, promising secrets and wonders hidden within its depths. He was greeted by Carlos, a local guide, whose eyes shone with pride and wisdom. Carlos explained the importance of respecting the rainforest ecosystem and its indigenous inhabitants, a lesson Mickey took to heart. With his explorer gear donned, Mickey embarked on his adventure. The trail ahead twisted like a green labyrinth, where every turn brought new amazements. Towering trees stretched towards the sky, their branches adorned with vibrant orchids. Mickey watched playful monkeys swing from vines, while colorful macaws painted the air with their flight. Amidst this wonderland, Mickey discovered the delicate balance of the ecosystem. He marveled at how each living thing, no matter how small, played a crucial role within this interconnected environment. His admiration grew as he witnessed the grandeur of ancient trees and the breathtaking cascade of waterfalls. Deep within the rainforest, Mickey stumbled upon a hidden village. The indigenous people welcomed him warmly, inviting him to participate in their rituals. Mickey engaged in their traditions, learning about their culture and understanding their unique bond with the rainforest. He discovered their ancient knowledge of medicinal plants, amazed by the healing practices passed down through generations. But the rainforest held challenges as well. Mickey navigated through dense jungle, meeting wild animals like jaguars and caimans that tested his courage. There were times when unexpected obstacles blocked his path, demanding resourcefulness and adaptability. With Carlos's guidance, Mickey learned the importance of teamwork, emerging from these ordeals with a deeper appreciation for resilience. As Mickey's expedition drew to a close, he reflected on the beauty and fragility of the Amazon. It was not just a place, but a vital element of life that needed protection. Inspired by his experiences, he resolved to share his adventure with others, hoping to ignite a passion for understanding and preserving the rainforest. Mickey left the Amazon with a profound appreciation for humanity's connection to nature, recognizing the responsibility of cherishing the world around him.